from El Cajon, California. It's time to cash out.
Let's go.
Alan from the Philippines.
Edith, Francisco from the Philippines.
It's time to cash out.
All right, everybody, we're on the Carnival Radiance. We have $500 for free play. We're gonna do 5 $100 videos. Our first game with $100 in on the right there. We're playing 10-cent Dalmatians, $2 bets on Ultimate Firelink. We got. Let's start this going right. Oh my God! On the first spin, holy cow! That's how you start a free play session. Oh my gosh! Let's go! This guy's climbing the wall right here. Let's go! Good start. Good start. Nothing big on the board yet, but we're moving. Gotta love it. We're only $2 in. We got $98 more to go. Gotta keep all of our profit. All right, still climbing. Nothing up here though. Come on, land something big up top. Let's go. First spin. Man, oh my God. Could this one be one of those cruise ship trips that everything just goes our way? Just saying. There's $30 up top. We need a ball. We need 9 more though. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. Come on. Need a ball. Need a ball. Need a ball. No! There was $20 right there. It's all right. First spin. All right. Oh, sorry. Probably around 20, $30, 30, $40. There, look at it. There you go. Little minor. Let's go. Minor right next door. That's how you start a trip. Let's go. That's how you start a vacation. $31. All right. Here we go. We're only $2 in. All right. So that's, what is it? $50. 50 spins. It's 2. All right. 4, 5, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ellen's got the bonus over there. Come on, baby. That first, could it be the first spin only? The 5 spot, 650. Come on, baby. I forgot what number we're at, but we'll keep track somehow. Well, I know how. As soon as I start earning points, I'll know when I pass the free play. So just keep track of that. What'd you get? 25 bucks is more than $0. We're gonna own these 3 machines right now. Let's own them. We're gonna put them in our when it's over. We're gonna put them in our living room. Come on, hit me! Oh, this guy's on fire right here. Come on, baby. We're still playing with their money. We're still playing with their money. We haven't. Come on, baby. Stack up. Nope. Okay, we'll do 10 $4 spins. Let's go there. Because we're gambling with their money. Come on, baby. Get it, Minnie! Oh, Minnie 122! Come on! Man, that first spin is the only thing we got. $50 ball. Come on. We'll do 3 more of these spins and then we'll go back to our thing. Still on free play. What do we just kind of go for? Man, oh man, 3 balls again. Oh, we're on it. We just earned points. So our $100 free play in the first video returned $53. We'll take that. First play session down. We're up $53. We're on the casino's money, not playing any of our money first night. Love you. See ya. Bye. Okay, video number 2 on our Carnival Radiance free play session. We're given $500 free play to start the trip. Not bad for a 3-day vacation. We're flipped it around. Dance Drum Prosperity, and we're gonna go for the big. So we're gonna go 588. What is that? 20. We'll go 20 spins on 588. All right, let's see what happens. All right, we gotta go for it, right? Wait a minute, you gotta. Let's go. Nothing. Nothing. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Oh, Foo Dogs. Oh, a little bit. $18 win. All right. So we know we have some return. Oh, got the drum. Big, come on, stack me up. Keep going. I never play this game. Oh, all that noise for that. This game is such a wish-wash. Come on, baby. We want to get the bonus at least one time during this, right? Well, of course. Close it. Close it. This was not going that well. Really not going that well. But we have to go for it, right? Because you want to be only available for the maximum, which is the extendo screens. All right, this one's not going that well. We're about 2/3 of the way through our money. We probably got like 5 spins left. We'll see what happens. My points aren't advancing yet. A little bit. Very little bit. Man, oh man. Teasing me. A little bit. I'll get a couple left. Another couple left. Yep, we advanced to 5 points on that spin. So that $100 free play returned $24. So now we're up, what is that, $75? So we'll cash that out. $200 free play sessions in, we are up $75. We need more than that though. Come on, we're gonna go big. Let's go find another machine. See you right back. Bye. Okay, video 3 of our $500 free play session. We're gonna play some Lightning Link, the horse race game. Okay, so we're in for $100. We will play. We gotta go dime. I'm gonna go dime. We like dimes. Like the dimes. 25 lines, 250 spins. Let's go. The major's at 629. There's a. Come on, baby. So far we've earned. So if we see this jump to 6 points, we know we're in for the free play's over. So, come on. Oh, nothing there. These games, we were on this trip earlier, and there was a maxed up major that sat there. It got there from the cruise before us, and it stayed there the entire cruise for us too. I've returned 0 so far. Game, got the free games. Let's go. Free games. Come on, baby. I believe you get 10 free games on this. 10 free spins on this. And we always hit the number. Pop it. All right, let's go. You do get 10 games. All right, line it up. We need a bunch of horses. Oh my gosh, stack it up there. Come on. Retrigger. Oh, 5 balls. Or trophies here. A little bit. Alright. This is free money, so we need something really big. We're on a 3-day cruise to Ensenada, and then next weekend is KENONATION 5. Unbelievable. We've been planning. Oh my, look at all the horse guys. There they are again. So far we returned $10. Not very good. Need a big spin. Come on. No way. $10. Oh, we got a little binoculars. $13. We got 1 left. Balls. Oh, and the all right, $14. All right. Well, we still got about probably $80 in free play, so we still got plenty of time to get something else. I would love to get the trophies. Because of course, right? We'll keep track of our free play by counting the points. Right now we're sitting at 5. As soon as that 5 turns to 6, we know we're out of free play. Come on, baby. Ah. Oh my gosh, come on. That was a good one. Alright, come on. You'll notice on a lot of cruise ships, get there, that the grands are capped. They're always just 10,000. So we were on a cruise recently, and during the week-long cruise, there were 5 grands hit throughout the trip, which is crazy to begin with. All right, come on now. We need some money because this is returning 0. Oh my gosh, come on. We're probably about halfway through our free play. 250 in, we got 250 to go. What machine should we play next? Well, oh, there's a 4-bagger. That's nice. Let's go. Lady next to me just get 4 dolphins. All right, we are running out of time on this machine though. Ah, come on. Nothing there. We're down to 40 bucks, but I think 20 that's ours. So not another machine that didn't pay that well. Get there, come on. Oh. Yikes. And probably getting close down to our free play being over. Oh man, come on. Come on. 3, come on, give me more. Oh my god. Can't get it. Ugh. Man, we just turned to 6. That $100 free play turned 20 bucks. So we're now at, what is that, 95? So we're going to cash that out. So of our free play so far, our bank shows a profit of 20 for that machine and a total of 98 bucks and $300. So we got 200 bucks left. Let's go find another machine. Let's get some money back. Okay, video number 6. We're gonna play some Mighty Cash. All right, we found some Mighty Cash. Let's find a denomination. Let's see, non-cap inserted. Go. All right. We want to press. What do we want to press? Any key. Press any physical key to remove the message. Any key. It's not working. There we go. All right, we want. Let's find out what the dimes are. What are the nickels? Let's find nickels. Let's find the dimes. What are the dimes telling me to do? And the min bet is $4. So we'll do we'll do $24 bets. Those are our bet options. We'll go $40. Let's go. We'll do 20 cents. Come on. Get something big. Let's get something big. This one's called Mighty Cash Ultra. Come on, baby. You need to hit quick because we need 3 of those guys. Come on. We might jump down to nickels to get more. Let's go to nickels and get more action. Nickels, because you still only need 5. And we'll still do 4, which is $2 bets. We want to get as much chance on these free plays as we can, okay? Oh, no, there's 2 of them. The free play is not returning that much. It's $3. Come on, baby. And that can pop at any time if there's a... kind of like the pop. And I will do the last video in Keno, even though the Keno games are bad, just because that's what I like to do. I'm YouTubing. Oh. Yeah. How you doing? Say hi. we need one of those. Come on, we need one right there. Oh. Come on. Nope, we're running out of steam here. Come on. That's a little bit. There's $4 win. So we're gonna get some return. Come on now. Blow it up. So it expanded. Oh, it didn't blow up though. Nothing there. We need this machine to shake. Come on. You got $50 down. Blow it up. No. 2. Okay, we're still at 6 points. Blow it up. Man. Come on. Man, this machine is tight. Not a very good free play session on the ship. $2, $1. Geez. Come on. Wow, not good at all. A little bit. $1. This is bad. Okay, we're probably very close to turning that 6 points free play into 7 points, which means I know I'm out of free play for this particular session. That's $5. That's $5. Come on, baby. We need something to explode. Come on, explode. We probably made about 15 bucks. Which is over 100. We got to be very close. 250. Very close. Blow up. Probably down to our last spin or two. Oh man. And we're at 7 points, so cash out. We've made 20 bucks. We made $22. So far, our 400 free play has returned. 22 for this mean, and we made $120, right? Yep. Okay. So we have one more video to go. The winning machine on that last $100 of free play, which is luck. See you in a little bit. Bye. Okay. So even though we're in for $400 of free play, we have $100 left. We're going to go to a reliable, even though pay scales are bad because of that. But I wanted to play some Keno on the ship, and it's free, so we're going to go for it. So we're going to bet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to erase. We're going to play our 7 spots. So if you get 6 out of 7, it's worth $550. If you hit all 7, it's worth $5,000. So you know what? We might as well go for it. So here we go. The final video, the $500 free play special. Carnival Radiance. Let's go. Old Reliable is how we had 2 hand pays prior to the trip, helping us pay our taxes and give us a little bit of a bankroll for the KENONATION 5 trip. This is our first night on the ship, and we want to make sure let's hit something big. Come on, baby. This is the last weekend in spring break in San Diego, California, in Southern California, so there are a fair amount of kids on board, which is okay. Come on, baby. Give me 4 or 5. Come on. And the crappy part is if you hit none, which is that you get your money back. But when you hit none, you want something back, right? So, come on. The pays are reduced in half. But $550 for 6 out of 7, I will take $550. Let's go, baby. Come on. Give me 4. Wow. Come on. We've got so much planned for KENONATION 5. So many visitors coming from all over the country. I mean, if you haven't heard, we have over 100 visitors coming in for the weekend. $100 for the party alone, and we have special guests from videokino.com. Can't wait to introduce you guys to those guys. A lot of your favorite channels: Cook Country Slots, Big Daddy Keno, Keno Couple, W&J Forever Keno Casino, and yours truly, Ellen and Bubba from James Spitzer Cash Out. Got set up. Everybody's going to get some free drinks that we've paid for. The first drink should be on the house. Get some free food on the courtesy of the Palms. Free swag from all the channels that are coming in town. There's a winner. Give me one more. How about three more? Give me the 550 so I make it a even swap for the free play. Come on, baby. Hasn't been the best free play, $500 free play. It goes fast too. I mean, this $500 free play session is only taking about 20 minutes. So until we hit something, we're gonna hit something big on this Keno. We're just gonna hit it. Because you guys all know, 7 out of 7 on a normal Keno machine for $1 should be 7,000 credits per coin. We're betting 8 coins and only gonna win $5,000. So this should pay $10,000. It should pay $14,000 on $2, but it's paying $5,000. But it's the only Keno on board, which is straight Keno with the zero pay, which is a bad game. But you know me and Keno, I gotta play. So I do not advise you playing this game, but I'm a Keno junkie. What can I say? I still say it's better than the Vigi Diamonds Keno. I'm just saying. The Vigi Diamonds Keno is just one step above top and bottom. Now the only guy that has had any success on the Vigi Diamonds is Brian. So there's my first 4 spot. Give me a 5. Give me a 6. Give me a 7. As soon as that free play or my points jump to 9, we know we're done. Come on, baby. Wow, free play. There's a mini. Another mini. Come on, baby. Probably halfway through, about $50 left, probably, give or take. Come on. Give me one more. I'll take $40. That's 5 out of 7. Come on. Just peeling off minis. I'll take minis all day long. Not really, I won't. We want to end this free play session with a bang. Come on. One more. Oh. Come on. It is the only Keno on board. OG 1-card Keno with the zero pay. One more. Okay, we just jumped to 9. So our free play, that $100 free play turned into almost was at $58. $58. So we'll cash out. $500 free play has returned. This machine, $58, adds up to our total of $120, I believe, right? So $500 free play return, $178. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. KENONATION 5 round of the quarter. Can't wait to see you guys. Cash out. Love you. See ya. Bye.